Hey everybody, it's Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a breakfast brioche sausage and egg bun. So stick around, let's get to making it. As you can see, the griddle's up to temperature. I'm just going to chuck these patties on. Just cook up real quick. They're just sausage squares. They cook from frozen, so I let them go a little bit and bring it back once they're a little bit more progressed. So these sausage squares have been going a couple of minutes now. I'm going to flip them over. Oh. More practice required. But that'd be fine. I've got the egg ring on there as well. I'm going to put an egg in there in a minute. Might turn the heat down on them sausage squares because they're a bit keen. But I'll keep you updated on the cook as we pop along. Right, so here goes the egg. I'll just bang that in. Lovely jubbly. That won't take long to cook. May even go mad and cook another egg. You take the excitement. There you go, egg number 2. That's it. Give it a little bit more heat, move that up out of the way. While that's going on, I'm going to warm some buns up. Some nice brioche ones. They can go up the top and on the side. That's a nice thing about this. You've got a lot of space. I'm surprised how much space there is actually. I'll get rid of him, so I've got a little bit more space. Move that up. Move these up. These are going to cook really quickly now, so what I'm going to do, bring the sausages back on. Flip the buns. If we give them a little bit of cheese. Really feel like I'm against the clock. Number 1 cheese. Number 2 cheese. I think maybe now the burger can go back up. No, not the burger, the sausage, should I say. Number 1. Number 2. Straight on there like a champ. Put these off onto a nice plate. That's one side. Bun. Now only the eggs left. You can cook so easy on this. It really is an easy thing to cook with. I'm so impressed. Okay, so we're going to scoop an egg off. Bang it on the roll. Look at that. Isn't that a nice looking bit of breakfast food? Can't be bad. Same again for the other one. comes the egg. Put the lid on. Ta-da! Beautiful. Next up, bring it back for the taste test. Alright, so last but not least, what we need to do is add a little bit of Uncle Steve's shake, the original, just to finish it off. Just to make it pop. I'll do the same on this one. Uncle Steve's shake, really good product. This is the original one, sent over by Steve himself at the Barbecue Talk Show. Check out his rubs. They're good stuff. Oh wow, look how oozy that cheese is. I'm just going to cut into it and see how it gets on. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Let's take a closer look. What a dish. Perfect for any breakfast. Okay, so here's the finished sandwich. Next thing to do is the taste test. So looking forward to this, I'm going to be honest. I'm really hungry. So here we go. Got the egg there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's so good. Not a million miles away from a McSausage sandwich, to be honest, or a sausage and egg muffin. I think if I was to use a muffin bun instead of a brioche bun, that'd be on point. Let's put that over there. Okay, so if you like what I'm doing on this channel, Ryan G's Barbecue and stuff, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tell anybody you can, share it around everywhere. Check out the videos that'll be on the end screen, see what you like in there. This is Ryan G for Ryan G's Barbecue and stuff. See you again soon. Sausage and egg brioche bun.